Bro, what is you doing?
I'm about to show y'all Vegas real quick. Come on. Bro, we just landed in Vegas. And I love how Vegas got their little gambling machines as soon as you get off the plane. Yeah. It's 7 a.m. Left Michigan at 4 a.m. to get here. So it's cool though, it's nice and early. Let's see what the day brings us.
Niggas down there in Vegas getting lit.
Yes, sir. Bro, nigga Justin ain't playing.
Nigga, 9 o'clock down.
Bro, it's 9. It's 9:13.
9 a.m. we getting lit.
I don't know where we going.
About to head to the mountains.
We heading to the mountains. So we headed to the mountains. It's a nice day. We got baby Nyla with us.
Know that I gotta have more. No.
We gonna go up here to that top mountain, not all the way up top. It's too dangerous up there. But,
I'm like, is it mountain lions?
no.
Woo! You know the name of this mountain, man? What's this, man?
I forgot the name of it. Rose Ranch is right here. Rose Ranch is really the richest gated community. Look, it's to the right. Oh yeah. Where that pool is, where that lake is, that's Rose Ranch. That's the richest community.
Man, y'all see, get the more Walmart jump and then check out the website. We out here, man. What's the deal, man? Fam in the building.
Where I'm at? Hey, where I'm at?
It wouldn't even be right if we didn't get one.
Actually, that would be moving though.
So they making us wait to get some breakfast, right? So I might as well test my look and see what I can do. Make sure y'all get y'all merch, you know, Hash House. What's the deal, man? We at the Hash with it. So what you think, man? Vegas for sure got its own vibe. Because I be trying to compare it to like New York, Miami, Cali, but Vegas different.
Vegas is different. Vegas brings, I like Vegas. Vegas brings all type of races, ages, you know what I'm saying, ethnicities, all that. When you go to Miami, it's normally just younger people, you know what I'm saying? But Vegas got older people, younger people, black, white, Mexican, you know what I'm saying? So it's a little bit of everything, man. And everybody could have a good time.
I love that the hotel got like everything you need. You really can stay in your hotel.
For sure.
They got everything.
For sure. Restaurants, 4 or 5 restaurants.
Oh yeah. What you got? Biscuits and gravy?
Biscuits and gravy.
Biscuit under there?
Some mashed potatoes in there.
You got a nice little skillet, huh?
They ain't not little skillet.
Got that ramen. You mess with that ramen, bro? You mess with that ramen, bro?
Hell no.
It look like all they got is ramen.
Piece of that way, cuz.
The piece of that way?
It is hella ramen. Shit like 8,000 ramen.
Scary one or the carnivore?
Scary one.
Oh, man. Oh! Practice on me, yeah. Like, oh!
Worldwide.
What's the deal, man? Met up in Vegas.
Getting the Airbnb together, we right here.
It's a great guy.
Really great guy.
He's the greatest.
That guy always brought the best out of me. I recall one time we were playing in a basketball game.
Okay.
He believed in me so much. He's the point guard. He brought the ball up, dribbled it twice, maybe 3 times, and yelled, "Aaron, do your thing."
What's what I say, bro?
Yeah. He just knew that I could get a bucket.
Get that bucket.
He believed in me.
Did you do one dribble pull up?
I think I did. Maybe a crossover, pull up in his face, and it was all net. And
you said you like that?
He believed in me. He inspired me to do it.
That's a tough game. Did we win that game?
He's a great guy. We didn't win that game.